Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to back up your Kukai Wallet recovery phrase. Kukai Wallet is a popular Tezos XTZ wallet that lets you securely store, send and manage your crypto. When you create a Kukai Wallet, you are given a recovery phrase, also called a seed phrase. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet, and if you lose your phone, clear your browser or get logged out, backing out properly is extremely important. So it's a wallet recovery phrase. It is a series of words, usually 12 or 24 words. It acts as a master key to your wallet. Anyone with this phrase can access your funds. Kukai cannot recover it for you if it's lost, and if you lose this phrase, your wallet and funds are gone forever. And in order to recover to your backup phrase, open to your Kukai Wallet on your browser and make sure you log in with your preferred method: Google, Twitter, X, Facebook or password. And after that, if you don't find it, on the top left there's a 3-line icon. Select there. Over here what you can do is you can go to the feedback and support here, and you can also contact your Kukai Wallet support. You may be redirected to this email. What you can do is you can type down your message. When contacting support, do not send a recovery phrase, instead send a simple message, and that's how you can contact Kukai Wallet support if you cannot find a recovery phrase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.